How to fix Hogwarts Legacy Crashing on PS5 and Xbox Series X/S. To fix Hogwarts Legacy Crashing on your console, you need to temporarily uninstall the beta version of app and reinstall the game later. 1. For PlayStation 5, path. Open the PlayStation 5 Games Hub, locate the Hogwarts Legacy game, press the Options button on your PS5 controller. 2. For Xbox Series XS, path. Press the Xbox button on controller, My Games and Apps, see All Games tab, find the Hogwarts Legacy app, press the menu button on controller. 3. Other tips. Restart the console. Check for software updates. Reset the console to default settings. Check for potential hardware issues. Contact Hogwarts Legacy. Support team.